So this is day 2 of our London adventures, and we're blessed with another second day of really nice weather. So if you've already seen my vacation haul, that'll be linked in the description box. I've already kind of talked about all these pieces, but my top is from Urban Planet, my jeans or jeggings I guess are from Hollister, shoes are from Guess, my little side bag is from Urban Planet as well, Ray-Ban sunglasses, my lipstick combo I always do, I'll just write that, and then my jewelry is like a mixed match of Fossil, Michael Kors, Saks, Tory Burch, and I don't have a necklace on today.
Okay, I've got Vans Old School, Levi's 510 Premiums. These are so nice. Got Saks on underneath, the Supreme bag for the trip, the North Face in the back, and then we might have a little outfit change later. It's nice.
Say what I see, that's how I do. Shout to my Rubin, yeah, it's a black suit. Yeah, it's quite fresh. Say what I see. When they put I might see me on the beat, freestyle. Never been an amateur. Shout to my brother, had to catch me on the camera. Freestyle vibes, you know who I am. If you look down on his feet, he's got the vans. Yeah, man, that's what I see. Yeah, I'm kind of fresh, going far, I'm a boss. Look up on the bag, yeah, and it's Michael Kors. Yeah, it's freestyle. I've been doing this thing here for a while. All up on the beat, no one never failed her. Pretty girl here, and she got the white nails. Yeah, man, it's quite fresh. You know what I said, I'm the man. And look up on the glasses, yeah, I think the Ray-Bans. Oh wow, all up on the beat. And the black, and let me understand that I'm a G. Freestyle flows, yeah, best believe. You might see me on the train up in London on the scene. Yeah, man, that's what I do. Never been a fool, never gonna stop. And the floors through the roof. Freestyle vibes, you know who I am. I gotta go, but add me on Instagram. Yeah, man, that's all I know.
Attention now, this is the District Line train to Westminster.
Chicken tikka, which is like chicken tikka masala, I think. We don't have that there. Then I got double meat, so I got meat on both sides of mine. And then we have coffees, same ones as yesterday. And then I got a Pepsi Max Cherry with Diet 7 Up. I think that's what it was. They called 7 Up free here.
Interesting. So Kira and I were walking down Fulham in London, and we came across this gelato cafe shop place. They also sell sorbet. So we decided just to get like a little cup of 2 mixed sorbets. So we got chocolate organic and the mango one. And I know it's like really small, but we want to go get some drinks and then dinner after, so we didn't want anything that would like tie up our appetite. This morning when we woke up, we totally forgot to check the kitchen to see if the donuts had been eaten. And, well, I mean, Kieran got to check, but there was a cleaning lady in the kitchen. We only realized once we left that she maybe like threw out the donuts and cleaned up the kitchen. And then Kieran randomly came to me and said, "Oh, babe, no, they did leave a note." So now he's gonna tell me what it was.
Girl that we met in the apartment
The blonde
wrote a note on like a napkin saying, "Thank you so much for the delicious donut. Here's a ticket to this airport paid for that I couldn't use." But it wasn't the airport we're going to though.
What was the ticket?
It was like a ticket to the airport, like a train ticket or something. But it's some other airport we're not going to.
Oh, what was it? Do you know the name?
I don't know. It wasn't Gatwick and it wasn't the train station or anything. It was something with an A, I think.
Oh.
It was so cute. Alright, mate. We're at Simon's in Fulham. And we just came here because we googled where there's cheap drinks in London. And this seems to be the spot, but there was one really far away that we decided not to go to it, but then we googled again, and there was actually a closer one that we didn't know about, and it's like 1920s style vintage games, and then like built all the scenery and stuff, like fluorescent lights and things like that, and they have happy hour, which is 5 hours from every day but Saturday, so we are on our second round of mixed drinks for $2.50 each. Mine.
What do we get, babe?
Gin and tonic, and then a gin and soda water. It's health. And then we'll probably get a third round and then go for dinner somewhere hopefully around here.